with so many special nominees. However, this year's winner exemplifies what it means to rise above obstacles. She is a cancer and a heart attack survivor and a transplant to Enterprise. She lost her home to Hurricane Katrina and relocated to Enterprise afterwards. She could have allowed her personal obstacles to define her, but instead she uses them as a testimony and continues to pursue victory. Despite being a single mother and facing many personal setbacks, she accepted a dare from her twin sons to enroll at Enterprise State Community College, and the course of her life has never been the same. Her passion for art was rekindled, and she also discovered that she was pretty good in academics too. She's active in the community as a volunteer with Celebrate Recovery, where she finds personal healing and assists other women in dealing with their past mistakes and finding a new path. Part of our mission at Enterprise State is to serve students by providing educational opportunities that enhance their quality of life. But how many students can say that attending this college saved their life? Her words describing ESCC are the best ones, and this is what she says. She says, life isn't about discovering yourself, it's about creating yourself. Speaking strictly as a college student, there is absolutely no way on earth I would have gotten to where I am if it would not have been for God, first and foremost, and the amazing gift of attending Enterprise State Community College. I have grown exponentially as a person. I have been blessed with a group of teachers that have continued to build me up every step of the way. ESCC was the blank canvas for me, and each teacher that I have had the amazing opportunity to learn from has grabbed a tool of some sort and applied a mark or stroke to that canvas, creating over the last 3 years a masterpiece that, as Ms. Gibson always states, you cannot see its beauty until you step away and look at it from a distance. Moving to New York City to attend art school for me is like finding the perfect frame to display this masterpiece that Enterprise State Community College has created. For all of the teachers that have invested time into me, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. My education at ESCC will not be wasted, and I will make you proud. No dream is too big. Congratulations to Karen Barrett for being chosen as this year's